Hi, Mom. And Dad. Mm-hmm. Come on, give me a tour of the table here.
Okay. Here we have the Horosis, or as people in Boca call it, the cirrhosis.
Looks good.
And here we have the Passover Seder plate.
Nice. Nicely done.
And here's our matzahs. And horseradish for the gefilte. Our parsley.
Those flowers smell very nice.
And the salt water. There's the water for Dad to wash his hands with. And his pillow, which is he wants to be nice and comfortable laying against.
Sharon, could you turn around when you're doing that?
Oh, yes. And here's the matzah, and more Horosis. And there's the sweetly smelling plants for spring. Our Haggadahs are next to each place. And it's your water and the wine.
Very good. Looks beautiful.
Everything.